Janice.
Who's that?
Me. She said his
That is worth it.
Hey, watch out, me. That shit's loud, though.
Right? That thing is loud as heck. Like, wee. Sorry, baby.
Oh my God, all these stuff in my secret.
Josh, that thing is loud. That thing's like,
Where's the rest?
Over there.
See?
You grab that stroller?
this is how not to play with fireworks, guys.
I was gonna grab it. Yeah, I was gonna grab that
What you
stroller
doing
after
here?
that morning. But I had to go take him to work by the time.
Man, these mosquitoes.
Right?
Yes. I'm like,
What's your pillow?
I was gonna grab him to give it to you anyways. A nice stroller too. I know.
Look, it's falling. Boom, right to the grass.
Niana said, don't blow your fingernails off.
Tell her we're not planning on it, Nisi. We ain't gonna blow our fingers up. Josh.
Tell Janice she got a fat booty.
Horrible.
What?
What? Shut up. What? What, Nana? You got a fat booty. How you did that?
Ah.
I don't know.
She irritated.
You was born with it, huh?
I guess so. How's the baby doing?
She's good.
Oh, tell her to ask. Nisi, can you you know the cup I left from Six Flags?
What?
The purple cup I left from Six Flags?
Probably in my mom's house since I don't live there.
No, I know, but can you grab it for me or have Fran grab it?
She live right upstairs.
Look at her.
So I could
For tomorrow.
for tomorrow. Six Flags.
I like how it spins like that.
Me too. What the heck? We going to Six Flags tomorrow?
Ugly girl.
I love my niece.
Yeah, we tell her over.
They could be painting the patooties.
We
Bella.
She's not no pain in the butt. You are.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, grand finale.
Okay, hold on. You wait for the grand finale. She at home. She ain't go to work. We ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah, honey, Anna.
Better back up, Josh, before you get blown off.
Right.
Oh, shit.
That's scared me.
There's more?
I jumped.
Probably got scared.
Man, I thought there was done.
Yeah, the
Shit,
joke.
it's done now.
Who got scared?
Here he goes trying to find the fuse. This is not good. I hate the back here. That's the only bad thing back here.
Time to hurry up.
And they're going for my neck.
You're going for everywhere for me. Yeah. Watch your feet. Josh gonna hit it.
Okay, guys, this is how not to play with fireworks.
You don't know which way to go.
This one's so small. Like,
Man, I know.
damn it.
And this one's long. Oh, it's over. Until it pops up again.
I know, right? That pop.
No,